Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be turning images like this one into beautiful videos, realistic videos like this one. So this is the image that we are going to be turning. Like, this is the first image that I want to show you, and we're gonna be changing or maybe turning them to beautiful videos, realistic videos like this one. Let's watch this one. And that's not all. We're going to be going ahead and trying it on our beautiful African queen or bride. This picture from this one. And we're going to be turning her into a video. And we're going to see her doing something. Let's watch. Can we watch again? I think she's feeling dizzy or something. So let me show you how you can achieve these kind of videos, and you can actually achieve this kind of images, generate images from images to video. Now, to be precise, I'm using Dzine AI. And Dzine, if you haven't tried it, it is an image to it is an image to actually an image to like it is an AI tool that you can actually utilize to actually do what get some images, do many things with it, style, even prompting in terms of actually just creating different kind of things. They have a lot of things. So the very first thing we're gonna go, or maybe the very first website that we're gonna be utilizing, like I said, it is Dzine AI. I'm gonna leave a link so that you can try. So I found that the perfect size for these kind of videos actually goes well with 4:3. You can choose any of these if you want 9:16 or whichever. So you're gonna click here where it says apply. Okay, because I don't want to restart again. Let me go back where I had. Let me go back to at home. So we're gonna be trying. Let me try this one, the one that I've been showing you. I want to show you. And for our images, the very first thing, you can use your images if you already have, but to be on a better side, because most of us, I know that we don't have time and we want to do everything. We want to use AI to utilize everything. We're going to be using OpenAI ChatGPT. It's going to give us the prompt for images, and also it's going to give us the prompt for videos. So the very first one, like I said, it is this one. Let's see the image prompt that I used to generate such images or such videos. So the prompt that I used for the image was a futuristic cityscape sunrise with glowing neon lights, flying cars, and towering skyscrapers in a hyper-realistic style. Okay, this is the prompt that we use to get, or maybe to actually do what, get the image. So we're gonna come here in Dzine AI, and then you're gonna click image to image. You're gonna put flags. You can use, the best thing that is about Dzine, it is that they have a lot of styles that you can use. They have a lot of AI tools that you can actually utilize. For instance, you can use flags if you want. We're gonna put our prompt here, and then you're gonna click generate, and then once you click generate, it's gonna submit, and then you can see here this side it is generating. So this is the image that it generated. Just let me show you because we don't have time. This is the image that it generated. Let me show you in a while. This is the kind of image. When you double click, it's gonna come to this dashboard. Okay, so this is the image that I picked this one because it is more in terms of actually at this one, because it is more realistic. This one, it is a little bit okay, but not too much. The cars are not being shown well, so that's why I aimed at this one. Okay, let's see the other one, the new one that it has generated right now. Let's see, where is it? What did I click? Begin with the I don't know what I clicked, but that is it, what I wanted to show you. Now, to turn this image into a video, what you're gonna do, you're gonna come here. You see, this is their new tool that they actually added uh, on Design AI. So when you click here, image to video, you're gonna paste your prompt for image. Like I said, you still have the chance to use AI as much as possible. So we're gonna be utilizing ChatGPT. You can use any tool that you want to use, and then you're gonna paste this prompt where it says slow zoom in effects to reveal details of each building, and ambient neon flickering lights and gentle sunrise rays casting long shadows. Okay, you're gonna copy paste and then you come here. I'm just showing you everything. You come here and then you're gonna paste your prompt. Okay, once you paste your prompt, you click generate. It's gonna actually start generating. So because it has already generated and it takes almost 2 to 3 minutes to actually generate these kind of videos, let me show you what it generated. This is the okay, you can see how it is showing every detail, and I think it has gotten it perfectly, because not super perfect, but you can see even the cars, they are not colliding. So this one, they are coming this side, and this one, they are going this one, and we have the ones that seems to be on a traffic jam or something, and you can see the buildings are coming all this side, and the sunrise is still there without actually moving. So for me, I give it a 7 out of 10 for this video. I can give it a 7 out of 10. I don't know about you, but I think it did amazing job. Let's close and go to our next one, which is actually this beautiful Pride. I was using it and then it gave me some, Flux gave me this one. Okay, Flux gave me this one. Let's pick this one. I'm just gonna double click and then it's gonna come here. Let's turn this one, this lady, to something else. Let's see the image to video prompt for the Pride, because I had commanded it to give me that one. So begin with a slow motion close up of brides. Let's copy paste this one. This one. Okay, so the prompt for video, it says begin with a slow motion close up of the bride's beaded headpiece and then pan out to reveal her entire dress and the decorated wedding scenes with petals gentle floating down. And also another prompt you can use, it is add a subtle lighting transition to capture the sparkle of her jewel and include breeze gently moving through her gown, creating an elegant atmosphere. So let's just pick all of them, even though I'm not sure it's gonna reveal what I want. Let's go here, image to video, where image to video, and then we're gonna paste our prompt there. Okay, once we have pasted, we're gonna, let me show you just in a while. We're gonna do what we're gonna click generate, and you have the option to choose whether you want the 10 seconds or 5 minutes. I have found out that the 10 seconds goes very fast compared to the 10 seconds, which takes almost a long time. And as a disclaimer, I have also to mention that for you to achieve, or maybe for you to access this image to video, you must be a pro, or like your account must be on a pro, like you must have a subscription, no? A paid subscription. For free people, you are not allowed, or maybe you are not given this image to video. However, you're gonna be on a free mode. You're gonna be given a few credits to actually generate images, but it's gonna come out with a watermark. So that's what I wanted to mention. So let's actually click generate, and it has been submitted, and let's wait as it is generating our video. This is where it says one job good or good. You can see they are saying that waiting time, it is 5 to 10 minutes. So as it does that, I wanted to show you our beautiful image, our beautiful bride, the one that we selected. You see all of this This one looks super beautiful, but she looks like she's this one. She looks beautiful, like, but she looks like she's 2 3 months pregnant. Not sure, or maybe it is me who is seeing that way. But she's super beautiful. You can see her eyes, her gown, her jewelry, and stuff like that. Also, this one, she's beautiful, but she still is very like her hands have been not shown. That's why I didn't pick her. This one also, she's beautiful, but they cut her hands. I picked this one because it is a little bit more of like her hands are being shown, her beautiful gown, and her jewelries, and her look looks very, very, very beautiful, and also very a little bit serious. But she's beautiful. So let's see the video that was generated as we wait the other one. So this is the video that was generated. Let's play it. You can see she's like showing us her gown in terms of actually bending, and also she's like showing us what her jewelries and everything, and she's a little bit moving, and you can see even her hand, the hands are moving and everything, they are moving. So AI is here, and it is a little bit scary. The first time when I saw, and I was like, what is this? But at the end of the day, it is AI. It is not something to be scared. We must be scared, but we also have to learn from it. What is it teaching us as content creators? Where are we heading? Okay, so you can see how beautiful she is. And one thing I like about this, it is that they have not turned anything in a bad way, because some AI tools, you will find that the eyes are going this side and the nose is going the other side. So let's close and see if the other video has been generated. And as you can see, it is still generating, almost 2 minutes into the waiting. We're gonna see. So the image that we are actually using to generate it is this one. And the fact that I love this one because of her smile. You can see her beautiful cheeks, her beautiful jewelry, her hair, simple hair, African hair, even though the hands have been cut, but she still looks super beautiful actually. Also, her traditional wedding gown, or maybe wedding dress, looks super, super authentic and very beautiful. I love her body in terms of actually the glow, and also I love these jewelries, like stuff like this, the necklace, the earrings, and this. It just makes me want to have a wedding, you guys. You guys, should we have a wedding, an online wedding again? I don't know. Anyway, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this tool, because for me I think it is super useful. I have tested a lot of AI tools when it comes to video generation, and I found out that design, like design AI, has a lot to offer in terms of actually the videos. So 3 minutes into waiting, this is there. This is the image and this is the video. Let's see. You can see, you guys, but she's stunning. Is she going to fall down? Why is she walking like she has drunk something? Is she's tipsy? Now I want you to watch carefully, because at the end you will realize that okay, the AI has managed to keep her image, or her features, but I don't like this. Something like she's skipping or falling or stuff like that. And also her face turns a little bit at the end. Here the face is a little bit smaller, but at the end you will find that the face is looking like it is getting old. I don't know. I just feel like this one has messed up. But anyway, it is a nice try. Let's see if it has changed something. Have you noticed something else that I'm forgetting? You see at the beginning what it does, but at the end it looks like she's going to fall or stuff like that. like she has drunk, like she has I don't want to mention. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I think AI is more fun, and also it makes me laugh, like seriously. And tell me in the comment section what was your favorite. We have a lot of prompts that we can use, or maybe image to use, but I don't want to actually go ahead and utilize all my credits, because like you see, for this one I still have 18 credits, or for video generation, which I'm going to be using for other things. Otherwise, I'll leave these videos in the on the what on the video, so that you can also enjoy and see how this has turned out to be a talented woman. Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye.